Good morning once again. Koikimedia will bring the world closer to your doorstep. Live and direct from Adamasingba Stadium. This is a view of Adamasingba Stadium that we are giving to you live and direct from your state in Ibadan, Yoruba Nation. And this is another revenue and source of income for your state. If for Yoruba Nation, if you can stand Once again, Koiki Media will bring the work closer to your doorstep. You are bringing this view from Adamasingba Stadium to make you to see how this place look like. This is a good thing. This is encouraging. This is encouraging for those that have not seen Adamasingba for a long period of time. This is Adamasingba Stadium. You can see how beautiful this place look like. That is part of the things we have in Yoruba land here. Yoruba get a lot of things. Yoruba gets very good things. Just that some match will be going up now because actually they are playing one football match in Oyo State here for public servants or ministry in Oyo State. They are playing a match which today is the final. Those that will be playing third clean, which is the final will be between the security and Ministry of Education. So Ministry of Education and Security are to play the final, while Ministry of Health and one ministry, maybe Ministry of Agric, we have to play the third place. But today we are having different match here, and visiting here I see how beautiful this place look like, and I said, let me just bring the view to you. We can play match at night here. These lights are working perfectly. This place will look like a day if you come here at night when match is ongoing. As you can see, as you can see, we just say that. As you can see, we just say that. Let us bring this view to you before we come here to we do what we come here to do. But this is the view, and we are moving up now. From up, we record how every place look like from this up. So let's go up and see for ourselves. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is a good thing we have in Oyo State. This is a good thing we have in Oyo State. And as you can see, this is the standard. This is a property. This is our property for Oyo State, and for Yoruba Nation at the whole. Yoruba Nation have a good thing. You can see. I just bringing this view from you. As my boss used to bring stadium from United States, and we too are bringing our own stadium. We are showcasing the stadium. This is Lake Salami Stadium. This is Lake Salami Sports Stadium. That is where we are now. Lake Salami, as you can see in the red top, Lake Salami Sports Stadium. That is where we are. You can see Lake Salami Sports Complex. Sorry, Lake Salami Sports Complex. That is what is written there, which they call Adamasingba. So we'll be bringing it to you the third place, and we'll be showcasing the third place match here today. And let's see how it goes. Let's off our phone because of lights on our phone. So we're bringing it to you, but we just said just show you how this place look like. That is what you are seeing now. Thank you for joining us. God bless you.